The early golf season in the Denver area is rarely kind to turf. Between erratic temperature swings and dry conditions, most superintendents find themselves caught in a cycle of pushing growth with nitrogen while simultaneously lowering the height of cut to meet member expectations for opening day. It is a high-stress approach that often leads to mechanical wear and thirsty plants. One local superintendent is seeing a different outcome this year by shifting the focus from high nitrogen inputs to a nano-silica-based program. Instead of fighting for speed, he is having to manage an abundance of it. The results from this Denver trial suggest that traditional assumptions about height of cut and green speed may be outdated. By utilizing a biweekly application of 4 ounces of Aquaretin Defend, 4 ounces of Aquaretin 19, and 13.5 ounces of Aquaretin Spark per acre, the course achieved tour-level performance metrics with significantly less mechanical intervention. Green speeds registered at 13'3" and later 12'6" even after raising the height of cut. Mowing frequency was reduced to twice per week and rolling 4 times per week. Performance remained elite at a 0.150 height of cut, a contrast to the previous year when the superintendent noted a need to drop to 0.140 to prepare for opening day. As far as moisture consistency, soil moisture has remained consistent in the 20% to 25% range, while irrigation requirements have dropped. The move away from a traditional high nitrogen program has changed how the turf handles transpiration and environmental pressure. Here's what the superintendent had to say. We are currently irrigating about 50% of our ET demands. I suppose this is because the plant is not transpiring as much as a higher N input program. I also think our reduced mowing puts less mechanical stress on the greens. By reducing the frequency of mowers and rollers on the greens, the plant maintains better health, while the nanosilica strengthens the leaf blade to stand tall. This structural integrity is what allows for a speed of 13 plus at a 0.150 height and at 25% VWC, a result that the superintendent noted seemed to amaze even his industry colleagues. Learn more about achieving tour quality greens with low dose inputs at aquaretinturf.com.